Hey you guys, this is going to be a short video. So I got to thinking, because I was eating a steak, of the ethnography of the original human tribes, the sort of behaviors that were placed within those societies. And basically, what I was thinking of is, there's this basic idea where, you kill something, like an animal, you kill an animal, and that's something that's very difficult for people to do. And so, essentially, there had to have been some tribes that were complacent in not killing animals. And even if they weren't, that's at least something that you have to decide to do. It has to be a thing like, hey, we can kill these animals and eat these animals. And, even before that, somebody had to have eaten the animal without cooking it. So then, there's this next, thing down the line. Oh, we're going to cook this animal and we're going to eat it. And so there's all these things there. So the original human tribes, they must not have originally, at least right away, ate animals. Or maybe they did. But thinking about this, it's kind of interesting because the whole concept of actually killing an animal and eating meat, the idea of eating meat is something that should be thought about, because eating meat gives you protein, and protein makes you stronger. So tribes who would kill animals, or even other human beings, other tribes, and ate them, they must have been stronger because they were getting protein. And so they dominated over tribes that didn't eat as much meat, basically. And so basically what this did is this attributed a sort of moral value to killing. So you kill, and then, you get meat and protein, makes you stronger. So, there were positive results from the killing. So that's something that should be thought about. So you're killing things, positive results, get stronger, dominate over other tribes, and this also promotes killing as a value. So all of a sudden killing becomes a thing. You're killing animals. Killing humans is just one step forward. You get war. Right, so war becomes a thing. So that's another thing to think about. So this could be the reason why, there were warring tribes, because we're killing, we're stronger. So and the whole idea of killing becoming a good thing, because it gives you positive benefits, is something that is foreseeable as a consequence of this sort of ethno behavior. So something really important to think about. And in modern society, we don't have we don't go out and hunt so much. So, you go down to the grocery store and you get your food. And, I eat meat, I eat steak, because I work out and I need protein. And so, and I like to work out. And I know that when I eat meat, I feel better because I have protein. I know there are people out there that don't eat meat and they still have healthy bodies. And if anybody has any recommendations, let me know. But for now, I'm eating meat. And, actually eating the meat, you bypass that whole sensation of, I could never imagine killing something. So you bypass that sort of stimulation. And so that's something to think about. And yeah, I think there's all these interesting ideas going on there, and it sort of makes you think a lot about why people are the way that they are and what is going on. I think that these hypotheses are a good place to start for further research and investigation regarding a lot of the reasons why people do things, in particular why human behavior modernly is the way that it is, and if really it's theoretical, but it does seem that there is a strong connection between the way that people think about killing and strength might makes right in connection with meat, and in that sort of rule of hunter killing becomes strong, and then power over other people. So this is sort of a structure, let's say an ethnographical, historical structure that essentially constructs one of the first power structures, one of the first signs of human behavior in terms of people trying to dominate over other people and control other people, the might makes right, which is fallacious. But anyway, that's it today. I just wanted to talk a little bit about that stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.